like to take her to up yours.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So what you saw there was I brought the head and the valves and all that other fun stuff to the machine shop this morning. And guess what? I gotta go back to the machine shop, but I'm gonna go back today because I need to bring all this stuff with me. These are the hold the cams down, and there are the tappets down there. Basically what they told me is they're gonna take the new valves, and rather than me buying new tappets, they're going to shave the top of the valve down, so that way I have the perfect clearance, which is awesome. I also have to bring the gasket, and I gotta bring the cams. So I gotta go back today, because I told them I was going to come back on Monday or Tuesday, but with everything going on with the coronavirus, I might not get that chance as far as bringing them in time. They're kind of talking about scaling back hours, and also I just like literally saw New York and California told people to stay off the streets. So this is real. This is real. So I want to get them that stuff today, which means I kind of have to be sneaky and still appear that I'm online working. I have a way. I have my ways. We are also, however, going to be doing some work in this video today. Yes, I needed to turn that light. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but here's the bumper. I actually sanded it down, so it's not shiny, although the light is bouncing off of it and it looks like it's shiny, but we got all the shine off, and so we are going to spray this bumper in this video today. Trixie, where are you? What do you want? What? Huh? Yeah, that's what I thought. So we're gonna get that stuff done in the video today, and then go from, really? God. Everybody's a critic, and then go from there. So yeah, this is where all the stuff was for the head. As you can see, the shelf is now empty. We still got all this stuff and this stuff down here. That's for Lisa's Jeep. So yeah, that's where we're at, and I'm gonna go to the machine shop now. So we'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
And as I remember the story you telling me many years
Alright guys, so I just got back from driving back to Middletown to bring that other stuff to the machine shop. Yeah, I brought it back the same day. And while I was talking to them, basically they said I should definitely call the other machine shop back. I don't know what's going on with this light, sorry. There we go. Call the other machine shop back because the price that they gave me didn't sound right. So I did call them back. They did say it's about $1,200 for the labor to do the sleeves, the dart and mid sleeves, and then clean the block and all that other good stuff. And then it's an additional $350 to do a line bore. But I do have to bring some things with me. I have to bring the main studs, the head studs, the pistons, the lower girdle, the main caps, and the old head gasket, and that's so that they can measure everything correctly and make sure everything's going to work. So that's where we're at. This is getting expensive really quick, and I kind of knew that. So fortunately I had some money saved aside, and then I might have to put the rest on a credit card, which I don't really want to do. But whatever has to be done has to be done. They're probably gonna have, they'll probably have it for about 3 weeks. Once I bring everything, I still have to take the block apart. So that's where we're at. I can't even blame the coronavirus on this. It is what it is. Oh, this, yeah, you were wondering? Yes, that's my Peloton. Well, that's Lisa's Peloton, but that I bought for her birthday. But since the gyms are closed, guess what? It's also mine. So, you know, I'm trying to keep what I got and lose some stuff and gain some stuff, you know, fun stuff. Yeah, but you don't even know that. So anyway, that's where we're at with the block, and we'll go from there. So, yeah, we gotta paint that bumper starting today, and then unfortunately there's an issue. Since everybody bought masks for the coronavirus stuff, there are no masks for me to buy. I'm gonna have to get creative, so stick around. Alright guys, so we are going to actually paint the bumper now. I would suggest wearing a mask, but I can't wear one because they're all sold out everywhere. So I'm going to be very careful. We're going to do this outside and then go from there. It's going to get interesting. I've done it before, but it needs to be done, especially since that bumper is starting to come off on this side because the clip is snapped, and now people are seeing me out. Ben, nice meeting you. He has which I think is probably the rarest color, the green, that green Genesis Coupe. His is on Autohon wheels, lowered. It looks awesome. So yeah, nice meeting you, and thank you for subscribing. And we're gonna have fun. So let's get this painted, the bumper of course. Alright, so this is the setup we're gonna go with. Yeah, I have all this cardboard and stuff down because I don't want to get paint on the driveway and things like that. So this is how we're going to paint this. I already did sand this down, so we're good there. And unfortunately, again, I don't have a mask, so I might have to use this over my face, just to be on the safe side. So please don't judge me. Alright, so what you guys are seeing me do is lay down a coat. This is going to be a multi-layer process. I have 3 cans to go through, but you can't just spray on heavy amounts. You want to get something that's going to stick and then go from there. So that's why you're seeing, like, yeah, it's not supposed to look perfect on its first pass. Just trying to, again, lay down a coat, and I'll continue to do this until it is done. This is gonna be fun. Again, I've done this before, so not new to it, but I did it with a black car, so this will be new. Yeah.
The kid, the junior that is, will be down in a minute unless you'd like to take her to the up to her.
Alright guys, so I actually finished painting the bumper. I still have to sand it. I have to put clear on it. I didn't have clear because they ran out of clear at the store, so and you can't use any type of clear. Like, I can't just go to AutoZone and just use that clear off the shelf. So this is gonna, again, once I get everything, we'll be all set. I use all 3 right there, if you guys can see behind me, right on the gen. all 3 of those cans right there. So, yeah, I mean, again, it doesn't look perfect, and it's not supposed to, because again, it's a process. So, let me know what you guys think. Whew. I do have to work on this cover that's on this bumper, because when I put it on, it's not going to match. So, and again, I still have to sand all this, wet sand it, put it clear, sand that, polish, and all that other fun stuff to get it to come close to, you know, the shine. Like, you can kind of see, make out trees and things like that here, where you can't on that bumper right now. And even if I put it clear on that, you still wouldn't be able to. It's a process. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about this video. A lot of things are going on. Again, dropped off the head, as you guys saw. Which now costs me, now I'm finding out is going to cost me a little bit more money for them to actually do, but it'll be done right. And then the block has to go down to Larry's machine shop, so that way they can do the wet sleeves and things like that, and then we can get this going. Hopefully I'm thinking June that the motor will be done, and then we'll go from there as far as putting it in, because I'm getting close to emissions, and that thing's not going to pass emissions, especially with that turbo setup and things like that. So that's where we're at. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Hopefully it's keeping you guys busy while the whole, you know, obviously the coronavirus stuff is going on, and us being self-quarantining, even though I've been out most of the day. So but hopefully I can keep you guys entertained. So until next time, like, share, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be glad to answer any of them in any video. So if you comment in any video and have a question, I will answer it. So don't worry about, oh, it's an old video. I'll answer. So yeah, things are moving along. It kind of helps to have this time to be home all the time, because up next is that block right there, and then again the carbon fiber. Oh, I know you guys saw it in the last video, but oh man, look how perfect that looks. Can't wait for that stuff. So next time, like, share, comment, subscribe, and make no limitation your only limitation. Peace.